These are my current top 5 Unity asset tools that I use for every game that I make, all from the Unity Asset Store. I have no affiliation to them at all, and I'm leaving my favourite to the end. The first asset tool is Full Screen Editor. This allows you to open any window completely full screen, including the scene and game windows. I find it particularly helpful for recording gameplay and taking screenshots full screen. The second tool is Script Inspector 3, which is a code editor or an IDE, which you use instead of Visual Studio. The main advantage is that it opens up inside of Unity without having to switch to an external editor, so I often keep it open all the time. It opens up instantly when you select a script without the program having to load. For the third one, I'm actually lumping together two assets, which are Rainbow Hierarchy 2 and Rainbow Folders 2. Together these allow you to add custom icons and colours to all of your folders, allowing you to highlight frequently used folders, and it simply reduces the brain power and time for searching around when your projects start to grow in size. These are such simple tools, but they have a real impact on my enjoyability of using Unity, especially with larger projects, and I think they should be included in Unity by default. The next asset is Transform Tools, which allows you to easily position UI and game objects to the exact positions that you need them to be relative to the screen and to each other. It has 45 little buttons to align, distribute, arrange, randomize, edit pivots, and even simulate the gravity of existing objects in your scene. It has a window that you can dock wherever you want. There are other asset tools that do similar things, but I like this one because of its small size and it doesn't add too much clutter with unnecessary features. The fifth one is my favourite asset tool on the Unity Asset Store, which is DoTween Pro. This can do quick and easy animation tweens for 2D and 3D game objects. I particularly use it for every game I make to animate the UI buttons. It can animate game objects and text by adding rotation, changing the colour and scale, adds shake and punch effects, and allow game objects to follow paths that you draw around the scene. The free edition of DoTween can do just about everything that the Pro version can do, but you need to use code instead of adding a component and pressing a few buttons. One quick and easy way to use the free version of DoTween is to ask an AI chatbot such as ChatGPT to write some Unity C# code using DoTween to animate your game object, such as a UI button for when the user selects it. Saying that, I prefer having the easy but manual control that the DoTween Pro version has. If you found this helpful, please do click like and subscribe, as I find it really encouraging. If you have any Unity asset tool that you find particularly helpful, please do let us all know in the comments.